Have you ever been stuck working from your web browser, toggling between a dozen tabs just to handle your business communications? Making a call here, sending a chat there, and trying to join a video meeting somewhere else entirely? It's a classic digital juggling act, and for anyone using 8x8, it begs a simple but crucial question. Does 8x8 have a desktop app? The short answer is yes, absolutely. But that simple yes opens up a world of convenience, productivity, and streamlined communication that you might be missing out on. In a world where we're constantly looking for ways to be more efficient, having a dedicated desktop application can be a game changer. It's more than just a different way to access the service. It's a completely different workflow. So let's dig into this. What exactly is the 8x8 desktop app, and why should you even bother with it when the web-based version works just fine? First, think about what the 8x8 platform is at its core. It's a unified communications platform, meaning it brings together all your essential business tools, voice, video, chat, and more, into a single, integrated experience. The desktop app, officially called 8x8 Work for Desktop, takes that unified experience and grounds it in a permanent, always-on application right on your computer. The immediate and most obvious benefit is organization. No more searching through a sea of browser tabs to find your communication hub. The app lives on your desktop, and it's always one click away. This alone can save you a surprising amount of time and mental energy throughout the day. It's like having a dedicated communication nerve center that doesn't get buried under your spreadsheets, documents, and other online research. But the advantages go much deeper than simple convenience. The 8x8 desktop app is built to be a more robust and integrated experience with your computer's operating system. For example, you get features like a persistent, always-on-top call pop-up that alerts you to incoming calls, ensuring you never miss an important ring. You also get integrated call controls with supported headsets, allowing you to answer, end, or mute calls directly from your headset, which is a massive win for hands-free productivity. Try doing that in a web browser. Then there's the performance aspect. While the web version is great, a native desktop application often has better stability and responsiveness. It's not subject to the whims of your browser or other tabs competing for resources. This means more reliable calls, smoother video meetings, and a snappier overall experience. When your communications are mission-critical, that stability is a huge advantage. The app also makes it easier to manage your presence status. You can quickly let your colleagues know if you're available, busy, or on a call, and your status can even update automatically. This might seem like a small detail, but in a team environment, it prevents unnecessary interruptions and makes collaboration much more efficient. And what about the features? The desktop app gives you access to the full suite of 8x8's unified communications capabilities. This includes your business phone system with features like call forwarding and call park, your company directory, team messaging and SMS, video meeting functionality, and even the ability to send and receive faxes. It's all there in one place. Let's quickly address the web app versus desktop app debate for a moment. While the web version of 8x8 is incredibly powerful and offers a consistent user experience, there are some key differences. The web app is fantastic for when you're on a public computer, a Chromebook, or a machine where you can't install software. It requires no downloads and works in any modern, Chromium-based browser like Chrome or Microsoft Edge. However, it does have some limitations. As we mentioned, it lacks those always-on-top pop-ups, built-in headset controls, and it has some restrictions on things like contact imports. The desktop app fills those gaps, providing a richer, more deeply integrated experience for your primary workstation. So, how do you get this desktop app? It's a straightforward process. You'll download the installer directly from the 8x8 website. There are versions for both Windows and Mac OS, so you're covered no matter which operating system you use. The system requirements are fairly modest, so you don't need a super powerful machine to run it smoothly. Once installed, you simply log in with your 8x8 credentials and you're good to go. It will even check for updates automatically to ensure you're always on the latest version. In summary, the 8x8 desktop app is much more than a cosmetic choice. It's a deliberate upgrade to your professional workflow. It centralizes your communications, offers a more stable and responsive experience, and provides deep integration with your computer and peripherals that the web version simply can't match. It's the difference between using a web-based email client and a dedicated desktop application like Outlook or Thunderbird. Both work, but one is built for a more focused and powerful user experience. If you're an 8x8 user, especially one who spends most of their workday on a computer, downloading the desktop app is a no-brainer. It's the best way to get the most out of your 8x8 service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.